Welcome everyone, a quick video on how to cancel subscriptions that you might have paid of using PayPal. Now, the reason why I'd want to do this is, let's say my situation, so I bought this service, the service was a scam, but it's a subscription service, which means even if I get the money back for this month, next month they're still going to charge me, and what am I going to say? Because I consented to the subscription. So we need to cancel this. How do we do it? Well, we want to find our name at the top right. So I'm just going to focus the camera. Click on your name, and then you want to find account settings or just settings, something along those lines. Maybe it might be on the top left. Because I'm on a business account, the process might be slightly different, but as long as we're on the account settings, then the process should be the same. So what we're going to do is, we see right here, products and services, website payments. Click on this one. And then we see my pre-approved payments. If you are unable to see this page, you can just search it up inside of the search bar. Just search it, search, and then you're going to see right away my pre-approved payments. So I'm just saying this, if you're using like a personal account and you can't see this in the same menu, just search for it and you should see it. So we're just going to click on update, and we'll just wait. And then we see right here, recurring payments dashboard. So currently, it actually shows nothing, right? But I know for sure I have subscriptions. So you can see you can manage the automatic payments you have of other merchants from my pre-approved payments page. So I'm just going to click on this one. And once we're here, now we can actually see our pre-approved payments. So this right here, Paddle.com Market Limited, this is the one which was a scam, right? And so what this is going to do is it's going to keep on rolling. So next month I'm going to be charged £40 again, month after. So let's sort that out. So we'll just click on the one we want to cancel, and so we'll just click on this. We'll wait for it to load, and you can see billing ID status active. You see this cancel button. Once we click on cancel, now the subscription will not roll over, right? So there's a chance that if you're doing this less than 24 hours before the subscription renews, that it will not work. However, I'm literally doing the same day. So I'm just going to click on cancel. And then you see, you want to cancel our recurring payments to the company. And we click on yes. And now this will cancel the subscription. So now you can see that, well, they can't charge me again, basically. So you can see status cancelled on 19th June 2021. And I'm going to be honest with you, I'm surprised that I actually had to research this, because it should be a really easy way to actually just cancel subscriptions. Instead, they make it weirdly hard. You still had to make a 3-minute tutorial. This should take 30 seconds. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to smash like, subscribe if you're brand new. See you guys later. Bye bye.